core system libraries failing because of the Function Discovery Resource Publication DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. While preparing the manual steps for Function Discovery Resource Publication, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Function Discovery Resource Publication. It manages the broadcasting of your computer's name and shared resources to the local network. It is the heart of the network discovery feature. If corrupted, your PC will become invisible to other computers on the LAN, even if file sharing is enabled, citing a network discovery is turned off loop. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. Fdrespub is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Function Discovery Resource Publication. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone Function Discovery Resource Publication DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to Function Discovery Resource Publication. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Function Discovery Resource Publication, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.